Welcome. This is how to use your free-bought WT10 at home. Please read the quick guide board and user manual carefully before using. Attach the side brushes into the mount on the bottom of the FreeBot. Plug the power adapter into a wall socket and connect to the charging base. Don't forget to turn on the power switch before charging. Place the charging base against the wall with no obstacles around. Manually align the charging contacts on the bottom of the WT10 with the ones on the charging base. If you have any concerns or suggestions, please contact our customer service team